Welcome to Finding Deals. Deals equals profits. The first way of locating some deals is your local tax assessor website. Go here. Well, let me go from the beginning there. You enter in a street name. Don't need an address, just the name of a street. And you click the property address and you search. And you wait for it to load because the internet's slow sometimes. And you're searching for properties that have a little box. This shows that they haven't paid their property taxes. Here's another one. Oh, the street looks like it's a gold mine, possibly. You go here, what you're looking at is first you're seeing if they reside there. Either show here, or you'll see it with the property site address and their home address here. This one, they owe about $2,800 in property taxes based on the tax levy. They're about 2 years behind. They made a payment on January 30th. It has a tax lawsuit on it. This may be something you may want to chase. The market value on this is over $55,000. Now, when it comes to your tax assessor market value, it may be lower than the ARV, or higher, or right at. So you can't really trust it. It just kind of gives you an idea of what you're working with. This may or may not be a deal. You know, a strategy that I would use is I would mail them. I would mail these people and see if they call. And then also I'd drive by the property and see what the property looks like. If there's somebody residing in it, unless you want a turnkey, then it may be worth chasing a turnkey rental. If not, I would leave it alone, or if it is abandoned and boarded up, if it's unlivable, it may be worth chasing. Here's another one. Yeah. This one, based upon the market value and land value, they're the same. It's more likely a lot. They are quite a few years behind on it. Unless you're into lots, it'd be worth chasing. But I'm not into lots, so I don't chase it. I see this and I automatically move on. But it's completely up to you and your investment strategy. Here's another one. They obviously don't live there based upon the difference in home address and property site address. They are about 2 years behind in taxes. They haven't made any payments on taxes. There is no tax lawsuit. Market value is about $35,000. This may or may not be a deal. You can always mail them and see if they call you, cruise by the property, see if it's abandoned or if someone resides there, and go from there and make a decision. Your next way of finding property is drive for dollars. You drive for dollars, and these are kind of properties you're looking for. Something boarded up or unlivable. There's another one. There's one. There's one that might be a good deal, depending on the insides. Here's one. See, the brush is all grown up around the front door. There's another. There's a few more. There's one. There's definitely one. That. You get the idea. Here's one. Definitely unlivable. I don't know if this would be a good wholesale deal based upon location and amount of repairs and how much the owner wants. Maybe something worth looking into. If not, move on. Here's one that's definitely noteworthy. Another strategy outside of driving for dollars is Craigslist. You go to Craigslist and you go to real estate for sale under the real estate section or housing section. You're just searching, scroll through here, look for deals, possible deals. Here's two that they're not deals unless you're just looking for turnkey rentals. There's a ranch, and that's what you're looking for if you're into that. There's acreage, depending on location. This is Alice, Texas. Depending on the location there, maybe good for a neighborhood or building an apartment complex if that's if you're into land development. There's a lot for sale. You just gotta scroll through here and look, find possible deals. You're just searching for gold. There's possible golden nugget right there. As the investor needs help, his loss, your gain. Maybe some deals sitting there. Seller finance mobile homes. The numbers work out. Maybe able to make some money on the rentals. Here's another one. Probably the same guy or girl. Another one. You get the idea on this one. Just gotta scroll through and look and know what you're looking for exactly. Now here's another one. We gotta go to groups. You go to meetup.com and search real estate groups. I taught you this and how to do this in Birds of a Feather. Go there and you show up. You may have to pay a fee at the door. You network. Now, if you're a wholesaler and you're looking to wholesale, this may not be a good way of finding deals for you. But also, it may be able to develop partnerships to move deals faster for yourself and know exactly what somebody's looking for, so you target that type of property to bring to them, so you know you can move it faster and get under a certain number, and it builds confidence. But if you're a fix and flip or a buy and hold type person, then this may be a place to go to find deals. Just gotta network and talk and present what you want, what you're looking for. Then the last strategy is buying lists. You can Google list and find all kinds of places selling lists, or you can go down to your local tax assessor office and ask to buy the tax delinquent property list or CD. It depends, and the fee it may cost you $5 to $100 depending. You get the list, you clean it, you need to start mailing or targeting the ones you want, doing the research, and also you can cold call them and knock their door. So that is all for today, folks. Take action and rock and roll.